Hello and welcome to our channel. My name is Pascal. I'm a travel agent here at Rove Society, and we make videos to help you make the most out of your trip and hopefully inspire you to travel in a more mindful way. Today I'm sharing with you my best travel agent hacks on what essentials you absolutely need to bring on a plane. I'm actually leaving for a trip tomorrow, so let's jump right into it. The first category is entertainment, because the last thing you want to do on a plane is get bored. My favorite thing is always to bring some kind of notebook like this one. I always manage to get so many ideas when I'm flying, so I just can write it down. I also bring a book. This one is Handmaid's Tale. I didn't get a chance to read it, so if you did, just let me know what you think. I also never forget to bring my earplugs because I want to listen to music, or I want to practice the language that I'm learning, or they also have movies on the plane, so you never want to forget it. And the last thing I'm bringing for entertainment is knitting, if you like it. I think it's a really good option to help you reduce your stress if you're anxious on the flight. So the second category is comfort. You don't want to get cold, dry, or hungry on the plane. That's why you always have to make sure to bring a water bottle with you. This one is collapsible, which is pretty convenient. You can just fill it up right after security and bring it with you on the plane. You can also bring some snacks. I really like to bring nuts because the planes don't always offer the healthiest of options. And if you bring a container like that, you can just reuse it during your trip. I also like to bring a scarf. I think this is really essential because even if it's really hot outside, it always gets cold on a plane. So this is super helpful, and you can always use it as a pillow or as a blanket. I also like to bring this pocket pharmacy. It's from Sage. It's different essential oils that you can use if you have a headache, if you have some kind of pain, if you need to release some stress. Really like these ones. I also always make sure to bring a moisturizer with me so I can use it if I have dry lips, face, or hands. It always really gets dry on the plane, so this is super helpful. I also bring mints and hand sanitizer because it's not always the cleanest of places. So now that you're entertained and comfortable, we gotta get you organized. So my first tip is regarding the liquids that you can bring on the plane. As a reminder, you can bring 1 liter per person, and you need to put it in little bottles of a maximum of 100 milliliters each. What I like to do is just regroup them before and put it in a clear bag that I just got at the grocery store in the vegetable and fruits aisle. And then I put it on the top of my backpack, so it's easier to just reach at security, take it out, and I don't have to search through all my bag. So the next tip I have for you is to have a little purse like this one, where you can have easy access to the documents that you're gonna have to show a few times to security or the gate. For example, your passport, wallet, and also that's where I keep my phone, and that's also in there that I keep my tickets on the wallet app. So I think it really helps to have easy access to that, and then since it's really, really small, you can just put it on the top of your backpack when you get on board. So there you have it. These were my simple tips on what essentials you need to bring on a plane. If you have other tips to share with us, just leave it down in the comment section. And don't miss our next video where we share our travel agent hacks on how to pack for a carry-on. See you next time.